Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we are here to do a St. Paul School of Nursing review on military time to 12-hour time. So military time is 24-hour time, and 12-hour time is just 12-hour time. That's the standard system we use where we use AM and PM. Okay, so in this question, they're asking us to convert from 24-hour time, which is military time, to 12-hour time, which is the AM PM time. Right, so we're going to split it up into four cases, right? The first two cases are going to deal with the time, with the hours. Case A is from hours 1 to 11. Case B is from hours 13 to 23. So let's do those. Right. Case A, if the military time is for hours 1 to 11, right? If the hours between 1 to 11, keep keep the hour in 12-hour format and add AM. Right. Now I want to mention something before we get back into this deeply. The focus here and is on the hour digits. There's going to be minutes digits and sometimes seconds digits, but they're not going to change. The only digits that are going to change are the hour digits. Okay. And the other two things to focus on are AM and PM. Okay. We're going to be adding those depending on what time frame we're in. All right. So now let's go back to case A. If the hours is between 1 to 11, we're going to keep the hour, but we're going to put it in 12-hour format and then we're going to add AM. So 12-hour format for the hour digit is simply anything from 1 to 9 in military time is going to have a 0 in front of it to the left of it because it's two-digit 24-hour format for the hour. In the 12-hour time system, we don't do that. So anything from 1 to 9, you're gonna drop that 0 to the left of it. You're just gonna write it in 12-hour format. For example, we have 100 hours. You see here in first example, we're going to drop the digit. We're going to keep the time, the hour. We're going to drop that 0, and then we're going to add AM. So you said if the hour is between 1 to 11, we're going to keep the hour in 12-hour format. That means drop the 0 and add AM. So our time you see here is 1 AM in a 12-hour time. So let's look at another example of this. If we have 0730 hours, again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep the hour in 12-hour format. That means drop the 0, right? And then we're going to add the AM. So this 0730 hours is going to be 7:30 AM. Now, that was for the hours between 1 and 11. If the hours are between 13 and 23, we're going to do something different. We're going to subtract 12 from the hour digit. And then we're going to write the result in 12-hour format and add PM this time. So let's see an example. Here we have 1734 hours. We're going to subtract 12 from the hour digits, the 2-hour digits, right? Because there are 2-hour digits in a 24-hour system. So 17 minus 12 gives us 5, and then we're going to write it in PM in 12-hour format and add the PM. So it's going to be 5:34 p.m. Notice how we didn't change the minutes. 34 remained the same throughout the whole time. The only thing we're changing is the hour digits. That's it. All right. Now let's look at the special cases when we're dealing with 0, 100 hours, 1,200 hours, or 24 hours. Okay. So first of all, 0, 100 hours and 24 hours are the same time. They're 12 midnight, right? All right, we'll get to that in a second. Let's first deal with the 1,200 hours. So if the hour is 1,200, this is simply 12 p.m. in in a in the 12-hour format, right? So if the hour is 1200 in military time or 24-hour time, this is simply 12 p.m. in military format. So let's just take a look at two examples. The first example, we have 1200 hours in the military format, and then we're just going to add the PM and make that 12 p.m. That's 12 p.m. Okay. If we have 1234 hours, again, we're going to just put it in 12-hour format and add the PM. So we had 12:34 p.m. Right. Now, last case is when we have 0000 hours or 24 hours. That's case D. If the hour is 00 hours or 24 hours, this is 12 midnight, 12 a.m. Right. So we're going to write it just like that. Example, if we have 0 hours, that's a 24-hour format, we're going to write 12 in the 12-hour format, and then we're going to put an AM there. This is a 12 a.m. form. If we have 00:30 hours, then we're going to write 12:30 and put an AM there in a 12-hour format. And that's how it works. All right, so I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to type them in the chat or to go to the website's contact us box, contact us form. Right, so you go to the St. Paul School of Nursing HESI Support website. You click on the contact us form, and you can type your question in there. All right, I hope this helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.